welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a GLOSSYBOX unboxing. We're on February and I'm seeing some Valentine's Day type stuff. GLOSSYBOX normally has just the plain pink box, and then about 4 times a year maybe they do a special box, like a fun different kind of box, and this one is Valentine's Day themed, and this is what she looks like. A nice hot pink, and then I love it. Super, super cute. Oh my god, it's even got like little lips on the back. Super cute. Let's get into it. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Right, okay. Oh, I'm very excited. Right, okay. Let's open it up. And then I'll try and get things in order that are on here. So Nude Pop Lip Tint. Is it this one? Is it by Steve Laurent? I don't even know. No, I don't think it is that, but it must be that. It has to be that, because it's not that. So it must be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why are you confusing me like this? Oh, I'm really confused. I think there's some things missing. Oh, I actually think there's some things missing from here, guys. Right, well, let me just go through what I can see. So I'm seeing this Studio Beauty makeup mist. I'm seeing this anyways. So let me show you that. That's a really cute little bottle. I really like the style of that bottle. So this is Makeup Mix Glow something. The mist instantly primes, refreshes and hydrates lackluster skin. It can also be used as a setting spray. Oh, I like that. So I've got quite a few sprays actually now. Full size is £26. Travel size is £14. So I don't know if this is a travel size. It says on the thingy that it's a mini size. So I don't know if this is what would be £14 or not. Should we have a little spray? I really like the smell. I only wanted to spray it so I could see what it smelled like. I really like the smell of that. So far I'm liking that one. So that's that one. Skin Chemist London. So that's this here. 24-hour Aqua Repair Facial Serum. Suitable for all skin types. Yeah, there's definitely like things missing from here. I'm really, really confused, but there's like 3 things missing from this box. And I don't know whether I'm just being like, maybe I'm really confused. Am I being stupid or something here right now? Let me go through what I've got in the box and then we'll address this. This nightmare. So, where's it gone? It's not going well today, guys. Right. 24-hour Aqua Repair Facial Serum, suitable for all skin types. The ingredients in this serum work to infuse skin with vitamins and antioxidants to minimise redness and deliver deep hydration. Full size is £64. And is this a full size then? It says that this is a full size. Wow. So this is £64 RRP. It's a facial serum. So I will definitely be trying that out. Definitely. We know I need help with my face. So, next up, Emotion Allowed Mascara. Well, that's not here. I do not have an Emotion Allowed Mascara. So, yeah, it's not in the box. Next up is Sleek Makeup. We do have this, and this is exciting. So this is what I was excited about. Various colours. Oh, is this... And I don't have this one either, which is good, because I do have one of these palettes. I don't have this one. So this is the Divine Eyeshadow Palette. Take your look from natural to dramatic with the 12 super pigmented shades in this palette. Guys, I'm really confused because I feel like you don't normally get that. Like, I feel like I've got the amount of things that I should have, but I haven't. But there's like 3 things on the list that are not here, and I'm really confused. This is, oh, I like this. Oh, I really like these colours. I really like the sleek eyeshadows. I do think they're really good. I have 2 of these palettes so far, and I'm excited to try this one out. Look at the goals. Let's have a teeny little swatch. Oh, I can't swatch, but yes. Oh, could have worn that today, but never mind, it's fine. So really excited about that. I'm glad that wasn't missing. This is why I'm thinking that maybe this was just like a list of things that you might get, but you're not supposed to have everything in it. But that's never happened before though, like you normally always get everything that's on the list. So that's why I'm really confused. But I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, which is about what you would normally get. I'm really confused. So next up, after that is I Love. The organic ingredients of this lightweight eye contour cream work to hydrate, shrink blood vessels and drain away puffiness. Well, that's not in here either. And then the last thing is Glamour Lash mascara that also is not in here. So we've got a nude top lip tint. That must be this, mustn't it? Is that there maybe? Because this is the only thing that I haven't... Yeah, lip gloss. It just says lip gloss on it. But I'm guessing that this is... Ooh. I don't know where the writing says. Live your life in colour. Oh, I like that. How am I ever going to use this? Like... doesn't really smell of much. I probably could have not done that and given that in a giveaway, but never mind. So, Nude Pop Lip Gloss. I love the packaging of this. Super, super cute. Super cute. Let me read the description for that. It just doesn't... Oh, it does. Steve Laurent. Yes, it does say it on it. I didn't read the top bit there. This gorgeous creamy lip tint is cruelty-free, hydrating and long-lasting. RRP £17, and I assume that that is a full size. Oh, I know what the star means now. The star next to the price means that it's correct at the time of printing, but it could have changed since then. Okay, fair enough. Right, I'm going to just read what it says at the top here. Welcome to the Galentine's Glossybox edition. This month is all about having fun out on the town with your BFF or your bae this Valentine's Day. We're so happy to have one of the best eye palettes we've ever had in Glossybox alongside cruelty-free Steve Laurent product wrapped in luxurious gold, rose gold packaging. Love it. Ciate is a brand which is taking the beauty world by storm at the moment, and we are in love with the Studio 10 Fixing Spray too. A fixing spritz like this is a great way to ensure your makeup stays fresh and in place all day long. In other glossy news, we've been working hard to secure some very exciting and exclusive Look Fantastic offers. Why Look Fantastic? This is Glossybox. Offers just for you. They will be dropping in your inbox very soon. I feel like everything that was spoken about... I'm really confused, guys. Am I being super stupid? This is the list of all the things. And then like you can see the eye thing and the mascaras that weren't in the box. But were they supposed to be in the box? I'm so confused. Anyway, it's fine. I'm just confused about it. I don't need any more mascaras and I've already got one of those eye things, so I'm not bothered about it, but I'm just confused, if that makes sense. Various colours, and I got... This is cute. Beach, please. Yeah, hello, beach, please, definitely. Wish I could get myself to a beach. So this is Geology Ciate Mini. Cute little nail varnish there. These come in various colours. Geology and paint pot. Geology and paint pots. Huh. Say hello to this month's discovery brand Ciate, based in London and loved by Beyonce, Adele and Kylie Jenner to name but a few. This fearless brand is renowned for its huge range of colours and powerful creativity, but most importantly, we love Ciate's no-nonsense approach to animal cruelty. Yes. Your Ciate nail varnish is PETA certified and vegan friendly. With a gel finish, Ciate's polishes allow flexibility to minimise chipping and provide up to 10 days of high gloss shine. Full size RRP is £9 and the mini size is £6. So obviously this is a little mini one and it's so cute. Look how cute it is. So cute. Right guys, that is it for this Glossybox. I'm sorry about the confusion. I'm wondering if maybe... Yeah, I don't know what happened. Yeah, I don't know what to say because when reading this front bit here, none of the things that were missing were mentioned, which makes me think that maybe, I don't know. I do not know. I don't know why they're on the back of here. I don't feel like they were supposed to be in this box. Who knows? Anyways, sorry about that confusion. If anybody else has like an inkling as to what went on there, other people who get GLOSSYBOX, like please leave me some comments down below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about this. Can't wait to try it. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye!